Hello everyone, this is King Content IoT. In this video, I will tell you a new solution to make your website to control the relay, but this time will without the network. So the relay controller will without Wi-Fi and without internet. Just use Raspberry Pi and the USB cable to connect to the relay controller directly. So you can see I can control by the website, turn on and turn off the relay, like this. Turn on and turn off the relay. This is my mobile phone and the Raspberry Pi in one local network. So I use the Wi-Fi to connect the root. This time not 4G, this is the Wi-Fi, the mobile phone Wi-Fi connector to the root, and the Raspberry Pi also connect to the root in one root. We can see the hardware details. This is the Raspberry Pi 4, this board, and the USB cable. Just use this kinds of USB cable, the DB9 interface, and the USB convert to RS232, connect to this controller's RS232 point. At this way. This is relay output 1, connect to 1 AC 220 voltage lamp. Turn on and turn off. It will be very quickly because this is work in local, without internet and without local network, just directly. So there are no network cable, and also we can remove the Wi-Fi. Not need Wi-Fi. Only RS232 point. This is a Node-RED running on the Raspberry Pi. And also we can make these photos. This is a very simple photo, just like a hello world. This is a demo how to use a switch, like this switch, just this node, to control relay on and off by your RS232 point. This is use this node for RS232. We have created the photo and uploaded to our form. You can download this zip file and unzip. You can in-point to this node. Just select your file to in-point. This is this one, RS232 for USB cable convert. And you can choose open and in-point. And now I have already in-point, so I choose the cancel. So before you use this node, make sure you have installed this dashboard on your Node-RED. And also you will install this node. This node is in this management. First time you need to install the serial port you need to install. Just search and install at this menu. I close. So when you install these nodes, you can put these functions. This is for button. Just choose the relay name, and we can see the website. Just the relay name. You can change it. And this is a switch. Switch is just for if pressed is true or pressed is false, and go to the V1 and V2. And this is for V1. Just send a command. This is a string command of our relay controller protocol, control relay 1. And this is close relay 1 or turn off relay 1. This means this string. You just can change any string for different relay output. So at last, send this command to this serial port. We can double click and set the serial port. The first time you use, you will add a new serial port. Now I can edit, but you will select the new serial port. We can choose this auto scan. This will list you have detect the USB cable by the Raspberry Pi. You can just choose which USB cable you have used. If you use 2 cable or 3 cable, you will see USB 0, USB 0, USB 1, USB 2. You just choose which line you have used. This time we have choose this. And this band rate of the RS-232, our relay body is use this 115/200, this BPS. You can choose this, and other settings just as default, not to change. So we can update. And after you finished this, you can deploy. Okay, then you will see this website. Just open the dashboard and open this one. I have already opened. You will see this switch button, and we can turn on and turn off. Also, we can see our mobile phone visit this website. This is in local network, so my mobile phone is use Wi-Fi, and I press on, and I press off. You can see the lamp is on off, and also the buttons is auto update. Now I can also use my hand to turn on relay 1, and turn off relay 1, and turn on, turn off. Also, the state it will be updated with the website on the computer. So this is very easy, how to use the RS-232 cable like this and this point to control the relay by the Raspberry Pi and running on the Node-RED. This is very easy to use by the RS-232 because sometimes your relay controller and your Raspberry Pi is very short distance, so you can connect them directly without network, without Ethernet, and without Wi-Fi. So it will be very fast. Okay, thanks for watching.